by Systick team, presented by Khadija. First of all, let's understand why we chose the name Systick team and what does it mean? What does Systick mean? Systick is a 24-bit countdown timer with an auto reload. It generally used ARM Cortex microcontroller, and that means that we are global, as many microcontrollers have statistics, we are accurate, and we are always on time. The team. Let me introduce you to our team. Muhammad Hani, he's 13 years old and he's the presenter. Abdurrahman Muhab, he's 10 years old and he's the developer. Then we have Khadija Muhab, she's 12-year-old and she's the Systick CEO. She is, in fact, me. Then we have Abdurrahman Aslam, he's the Under Control CEO. Goals. Let's talk about a few goals that we have. To inspire you to program and make games and animations. To entertain you and have you enjoy learning. Have you understand your surrounding in modern technology by having you understand how to make Windows and what is Windows or how did they make it. And have you learn instead of playing and watching and wasting time. Instead of you sitting and watching something that's not good for you, you could watch us. It's beneficial for you and you learn how to do cool things. What will we teach? We will make tutorials for programming and robotics, basics in control and technologies, and discuss business and AI. When will we post? We'll usually post on a Thursday, 8:30 p.m. Qualifications. A company called Under Control. We learned in a company called Under Control. We are in class Ninja Co. In this course, we actually took programming, AI, electronics, programming, robotics, technology, and Arduino, business, and digital fabrication. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed.